behold the Gulf Fritillary Butterfly, a symbol of nature's resilience and transformation. As it gracefully lands on a leaf, it reminds us that life's beauty can emerge from the most unexpected places. In its delicate wings, see the potential for change and growth. Just as this butterfly flutters from leaf to leaf, embrace the optimism that every moment holds the promise of something extraordinary. Embrace life's journey with hope, for like the butterfly, you too can soar to new heights.